Welcome. This is how to fix contacts are not showing on WhatsApp. So, guys, if that ever happened to you, that means you have a problem with permissions. So, you just have to change it. So, in order for you to do that, just simply go to the settings into your phone. Now, over here, just simply scroll a little bit and find apps. Now, here on the apps, you will just simply try to find WhatsApp over here and tap on it. And from here, you should be able to scroll down a little bit and you will have permissions over here. Now, if the contacts are not showing, that means that your contacts is denied. So make sure your contacts is allow over here. And when you go back, you should be able to see other tools and permissions that you might want to consider. And you will have two categories, allowed and denied. And pretty much this right here will fix the issue. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.